At North Atlanta Hair Restoration, we provide beard to scalp hair transplantation. We've been doing it actually since 2013, and it's something that I use frequently. When I do a consultation with patients, everyone has a different formula. People sometimes have just a little bit of recession up front or may have full hair loss. So when I think of using beard as a transplant follicle, I'm generally thinking of patients that need a lot of follicles. And the fact of the matter is, most donor sites do not have enough follicles to where you can extract and leave the donor site looking relatively intact without thinning it out to move those hairs up to the head. So you need another bank account. This is kind of like having a Swiss bank account, which is the beard. We can generally extract a couple thousand follicles from under the jawline. The healing is extremely fast. It's a very simple procedure with easy numbing, and we just move those hairs to the head. The great thing about beard to head transplant is that the life cycle and the growth cycle of the beard matches the head. So the beard hairs grow at the same rate as the head hair. And the other great thing is that it saves the donor site while it provides a little bit more volume per graft. So if you did, say, 500 grafts from the beard, it's like getting 750 grafts from the head. We utilize beard extraction for placement into the head for many of our hair transplant patients, and we make it very simple, and there is easy and fast healing. To find out if you're a candidate for beard to head transplantation, call our office at 678-845-7521. You can go to our website at nahairrestoration.com, and we are happy to help.